An early model for an atom considered it to have a positively charged point nucleus of charge Ze surrounded by a uniform density of negative charge up to a radius r. The atom as a whole is neutral. For this model, what is the electric field at a distance r from the nucleus for Ri less than r inside the atom? So first of all, see, here we have on the nucleus we have positive charge and negatively charged are surrounding by that nucleus. Now see, total charge that we have, first of all, density, right? Density of only negative charge, so total charge minus Ze upon volume of that particular instance, so 4 by 3 pi r cube here, because the radius of that atom is r cube. So minus Ze upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we can easily write minus 3 Ze upon 4 pi r cube. So this is our density. Now total charge of our atom is Ze, then minus, here actually we have to write plus, and formula that for we know that density is equal to total charge upon volume. Now for that charge, 4 by 3 pi r I cube into density. From this formula we can subject Q. So Q is equal to density into volume, right? We can put now our formulas. So that is equal to here Ze plus 4 by 3 pi Ri cube into minus 3 Z into E upon 4 pi R cube, right? So 3 gets cancelled out, 4 gets cancelled out, pi gets cancelled out. So we are left with here I am writing that we are left with Ze minus Ze into Ri cube upon R cube. So this is our Q formula, right? So last Q formula is Ze minus Ze, right? And then here Ri cube upon R cube. So this is the formula. So this is our total charge now. Now see that formula for flux, right? That is EA is equal to Q by upon epsilon 0. Now E, electric field A. So see here A. So actual formula is EA cos theta, but here because of a spherical mode, cos theta will be 0. So cos 0 will be 1. So Q upon epsilon 0, theta is 0. So E into A is equal to Q upon epsilon 0, right? So again, see E into 4 pi r square is equal to Q. Q is our Z common. Then we are left with 1 minus Ri cube upon R cube, right? Now if we want to subject E, because here we have to find electric field, so we have to subject that. So E is equal to, now 4 pi r square down, so Ze into here upon 4 pi. So here there will be 1 upon r square. Actually this is Ri, so Ri square minus, now Ri square Ri cube, so only Ri left upon R cube. So this is our electric field formula, right? Because of this atom atom charges at distance r. So we have to write here Ri is equal to r. So there we can find r distance. So here just only one change, that we have to write r instead of Ri. Now second question, we have an early model for an atom consider it to have positively charged. So second question is, the atom as a whole is neutral. For this model, what is electric field at a distance r from the nucleus? So here now for r0 greater than r outside the atom, now if we are going to move outside, outside the atom we are getting 0, because then Q will be 0, because both will be same, ZE minus ZE. So that's why if Q is equal to 0, we get electric field is 0 for outside. And then third, for this model, on the surface, now we have to find on the surface by taking this formula, this one, Ri we have to put as capital R, because capital R is our that radius of that atom. So E is equal to ZE upon 4 pi into 1 upon, here just one thing, capital R square, right? Capital R square, and here also I have to change Ri, so that place I have to write Ri, R. 1 R cancel, square will be there, so again 1 upon R square minus 1 upon R square, that will be 0. So again for this surface also electric field will be 0, because in formula we are left with ZE upon 4 pi 1 upon R square minus 1 upon R square. So on the surface we will get electric field as 0.